Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a delivery area on Amazon Flex. So if you need to change your delivery area, guys, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, guys. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and open up the Amazon Flex app and then just log into your account using your account credentials. Okay, and once you're logged in, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings. So in the menu, you just want to scroll down and select settings. Okay, to access your account preferences. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you need to select regions or delivery area. So within the settings menu, find and tap on regions or a delivery area. You know, the exact wording may vary depending on your app version. And this will basically display your currently selected delivery region. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and choose a new delivery area. So you need to tap on the option to add or change your region, and you'll see a list of available delivery areas based on your location. You just want to go ahead and select the area where you'd actually like to deliver. And once you have selected a new delivery area, just go ahead and confirm the change, and the app may require you to accept, updated terms or provide additional verification. And of course, guys, you want to return to the main screen to basically ensure your new delivery area is actually updated. And you can now start accepting delivery blocks in the updated region. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.